Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You need admin access, so sign into an administrator account first. Once done, try the quick method. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC or type Task Manager in Start and press Enter. If Task Manager opens, you're done. If it's blocked, stop and prepare the tools you'll use next: Registry Editor or Local Group Policy Editor. Make sure to create a restore point before editing system settings, because these tools change core configuration, and you want a safe rollback option. You'll choose Registry or Group Policy based on your Windows edition. Home usually needs Registry edits, Pro and above can use Group Policy. In Regedit, go to the System key and look for Disable Task MGR, delete it or set its value to 0. Alternatively, open gpedit. MSC, navigate to User Configuration, right arrow Administrative Templates, right arrow System, right arrow Control plus Alt plus Del options, and set Task Manager to Not Configured or Disabled equals Disabled. These changes re-enable the interface by removing the block the system applied. After changing Registry or Group Policy, restart Explorer or Reboot to apply your fix, because Windows may cache the previous state. Make sure to test Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and right-click the taskbar. If Task Manager still won't open, you may be on a domain-controlled PC. Contact IT, as domain policies override local settings. As a last resort, use the system restore point you created earlier to roll back any problematic edits. That returns the registry to a known good state.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.